again. It's Priscilla Batzel in Spring Hill, Florida at Expression Studio Gallery in the backyard, and I have waiting in the wings a 16 by 20 inch canvas, and glasses were right handy. There they are. And a strong desire to make up some paints. And I think rather than use that whole container, I'm going to rest a dustpan in there and make my paint mixes in that dustpan. And I think the only way to do this, hopefully that's clean. Yeah, it is. Cool. Wow. Excellent. Always nice when I took precautions. I am going to put all the colors that I like, including a few new colors that I just made up, into these containers. And I keep thinking I'll use up certain colors, and then there's like way more of that than I can get rid of. I'm just going to keep putting colors that I like in next to other colors that I like until I get a mixture of colors that I like. Oh, that was so obvious. Okay, I'm a little redundant. I haven't done this in a while. This is going to be scooped and shovel delivery. And I'm not sure. Oh, here's that color I was talking about. It's a cobalt. It's from Master's Touch at Hobby Lobby. They doubled their price, but I hadn't bought any of their bulk brand for a while. They're still selling. It's like 17 or 18 ounces for 12 bucks, which seems to me to be a pretty good deal indeed, actually. So I'm not going to complain about that. I kind of want to use a little more magenta than I have been. What else have I got here? I've got some of this gorgeous purpley. Yep, I haven't struck the odd chord yet. Everything is still kind of pretty. That might do it right there. I want enough paint, and I want to use some of my favorite colors. And I may go back afterwards and make an attempt to put some micropowder on some stuff. But so far, I don't feel confident that I have mastered it so well that I can trust myself not to mess it up. Yeah. I want some black in there. I want some more white in there, actually. The white, I think yellow. Yep. And some more orange. Just some more of everything, basically. I want some sky blue. I like that color blue in there. Where did that come from? I guess that's over here. I want some more of that. And I want it in here too. I didn't put any orange in the other one, and I'm almost ready to go. And I could dump some of this, I think. Oh, that's a great color. I love. That's like very close to being my favorite color in the world. Alright, so hopefully I can utilize those. And if I need more, I'll grab more. In the meantime, I have my primed canvas. And I have to decide how to start this. And I think I'm going to grab some of that color I love. I'm going to scrape off the bottom of my... How about right in the middle? I'm just going to keep going. Sometimes I think I want a tip, and other times I realize that that's really got very little to do with this particular process. I am going to turn it. I can always add more paint. I love what's happening to my colors in my container. I have made it kind of difficult on myself to Yeah, I lost the end of that sentence, sorry. I got all focused. It's been a while since I did this, and I love doing this, but I sold the last really great painting I did this way, and it kind of freaked me out, to be honest with you. I can't turn that and not have my paint fall over, so I'm going to be a little careful. I'm not going there, I'm going here. I'm going to get my paint to the edge of my shovel. I'm going to dip my shovel in. Use the tip of it to pull some things out. Make some organic shapes. I love that purple. I've wanted to allow myself the pleasure of crossing things over to meld them for a while. I'd like to give myself permission to just dig right down in and come up with whatever. So far I'm having a pretty good time with this. I'm going to grab a little more, and then I'm going to be very close to being done with the first container. And I like this. I think I'd like to dot it. And that's kind of cool. I've also got bamboo skewers. I want to say I'm not afraid to use them, but I'm not sure that that's true right now. I'm getting over it. That's kind of cool. Grab some more of that. I got something pretty neat to start with. Just following my instincts. Giving myself permission to be dotty, get happy. I'm going to drag some of that right down over the edge and over that way. Maybe add a little where there was a little bit of schmutz there. Make that into a spiral. Add another one of these little round shapes to make it cohesive. Maybe a third one. Yeah, why not? So I'm going to grab some more of that pink up there. Extend my dots all the way around. See if there's anything to be salvaged. Ooh, that's not very clean. Oh well. see what I can do with... That's a rather... Was it a bubble? Or is it a thing? I thought that was going to be really dark, but it's got some neat patterns coming out in it. Probably not all that wise of me to attempt to use up all my residuals, especially since I've got this thing over here. I don't know what that is. But I have more paint in my shovel, and sometimes the weirdest shapes and the weirdest colors are the coolest in the end. And I'm going to use the residual paint that fell off of that to go over my edges, just because I'm there, not because it has to happen. You could always frame one of these pretty easily. I use GAC 800 in all of my paints so that I don't have to worry about it cracking when it dries. And that's one of the great pleasures that comes from doing something like this. I'm going to grab a whole new tool right here, and I have enough paint on everything, let go in the bucket, to probably not do an awful lot more, so I'm just going to grab a little bit. I love it when it gives me strange shapes. I really, really do. Come on, come down. I can see you there. Give me a dot. It's not giving me my dot. Yeah, I think I might be just about done. I'm going to have to do another one to use up my dustpan of paint, but that's okay, because this is definitely one of my favorite things to do. I could put something over here, and I'm really inclined to do so, but I'm not sure it's a great idea, but I am going to grab some paint and do it anyway. Kind of like the rough shapes when the paint gaps and the background's already done. And if you leave your tool on the canvas, it will relax the paint right on there. Grab some more of that. They're not really regular earth plant colors, so it's pretty much always an alien scape, I think. I've got some pretty, yeah, I like this color here, and I think it shows up, so I'm going to go ahead and give myself a moment to use it. Kind of want some gold in there, but I don't know that I need it. I don't know what they are. Maybe they're little spores or something, but I love them. They're a community of dots. And I'm done. So I'm going to tell you that this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. And if you shop my Amazon link at no added cost to you, you'll help me out. If you give me a thumbs up, you'll keep me coming back and bringing you more videos all the time. Because that's how you tell the YouTube algorithm to give my videos better placement and get more people to watch them. And the more people that watch me, the more I want to come back and do some more videos for you guys. See how that works? I love you guys. I appreciate all the comments you leave me all the time. They really make my day. And you're a lot of fun. You guys have been helping me by donating to keep the studio rolling for quite a while now too, and I really appreciate that. I can just dip my bamboo skewer in and grab some of those colors out of that pan and do some really neat things too, and that's very tempting. It seems like I didn't stop. No, I did. I started my timer. Cool. And it's going to go off in a minute too, which is kind of fun. That I'm actually on time, telling you guys. It took the length of time I needed to take to do my painting. And I'm still grabbing colors and talking. And so I have Pinterest and Instagram and Twitter underneath the video at the bottom of the paint pouring description. Underneath the video, I said that. And you're going to find that Amazon link with my book called Because I Can, and the Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas, and the OXO omelet turning spatulas, and all kinds of other really cool stuff that I put on my link down there underneath the video description. And I have a website on the end screens. If you want to communicate with me, if you have an interest in purchasing an artwork or taking a lesson, you can talk to me there. If you have questions, you can talk to me there, and I will get back to you. If you have questions, you can also leave me a message on YouTube, and when I have time, I will get back to you as soon as I can. So I love you guys. And I'm sure there's some stuff I left out, like please give me a thumbs up. It really helps me out immensely, and it's another way that the YouTube algorithm works. Maybe I'm repeating myself. Anyway, so watch more videos, and that helps me immensely. If you watch including the commercials, that's a really good sign that I'm popular, and you can help me that way. So I have clothing under the... I know I'm lost in the fog. I have clothing underneath the, whoa, almost spilled my paint. Underneath the video, and that's my stuff. If you're looking for a Facebook group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors is for fans and collectors. And please come and join me. I'll be happy to let you in. And I love you guys. There's over 74,000 of you. And I'm really happy I got back into doing this. And it was a lot of fun to have you guys here. And it always is. I love you guys so much. Anyway, I'm still dotting away. Can't control my dotting affectation. I will see you guys anon. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, Expressionist Art Studio, thinking that I probably said that again already too, so whatever. I love you. We'll see you soon. Check out the 750 videos on the end screens. The longer you watch, the more you help me out. Appreciate that very much too. Bye you guys. Ooh, I should zoom out a little bit. Wow, you couldn't see it. All right. I love you. I'm sorry I was zoomed in so far. Bye for now.